Customer brought in this phone and straight away I noticed a problem. Now, you don't need to be a phone expert to know that isn't right, so let's get started on this repair. First of all, we're going to take out the two bottom pentalobe screws. And now we can grab our pry tool and start prying around the edge of the phone. Now that we've done that, we can lift the phone screen out from the left to the right. Straight away, I've noticed that the battery inside can be moved and that it's loose. So we're going to take off the battery covering plate by undoing these 6 screws around the outside. If you're enjoying this content, don't forget to drop a follow. We can now remove the covering plate for the battery and the screen by removing the 3 flexes plugged in to the logic board. And the screen can be popped to one side while we focus on the phone. Notice that the battery is clearly unplugged, which is why the phone's not turning on and it's just rebooting with the Apple sign. The battery's also completely loose and hasn't been glued down, so we're going to solve that now. I'm going to use glue to glue it down, but you should really use the adhesive strips that you get with a brand new battery. However, I don't have any of these left, so I'm going to use some soft glue, which can easily be removed in the future if the battery needs replacing again. Now that we've applied the glue, we can pop the battery in place and reconnect it. You can now plug the screen back in temporarily and make sure that the phone turns on and works. As you can see, the phone isn't turning on with the press of the power button, but I'm going to grab a charger and make sure that it does work. And the phone is definitely working, so we'll leave that to charge for now. Our next job is to start rebuilding the phone from the bottom up, including the screen, all the covering plates and the 2 bottom pentalobe screws. As the phone is definitely working, we can unplug it and pop in the Face ID connector, microphone and speaker assembly, like this. Now we can grab the covering plate, pop that in place and start getting it screwed in. If you're enjoying so far, don't forget to give us a follow and a like on the video, or if you're on YouTube, subscribe. We can close up the phone and get the 2 bottom pentalobe screws in. And that's it. We are completely done. The phone has been repaired and ready to go back to the customer.